Welcome back to the MagicJS tutorial. Today we are going to perform CRUD operations. CRUD operations are something that happens in the backend and involves database as well. Let's see how we can operate it with MERN.AI. First, we will create a UI/React component file, name it as db test, and let's give the path as /db. Now we need 4 buttons, so let's add them here. Button, add product, update product, another one for delete product, and get product. Save it and let's check the output. Nice. Now let's create the backend needed for these buttons. So create a new backend file in the blank feature folder, name it add, and proceed. So we got add.server.tsx. Let's import this in the frontend file db test, import add server, yes. Now let's call the function on button click using the onClick prop. Also, let's set an alert as added. Next, we will update the backend file to add a product. So import data from magicjs.dev/backend. Here, MERN.AI comes connected with MongoDB, but you can connect any other database that you want, like SQL, MySQL, or others. Note that the data of function will only work in your MongoDB database. For other external databases, you can install their respective drivers and use it. There is no limitation regarding that. So I will show you how to use this in MongoDB. For that, type data of and give the collection name products inside. As you can see, we get the MongoDB drivers here. For those who are familiar with the MongoDB drivers, you don't have to learn anything new here. We will use MongoDB's popular function insert1 and give the product name here. For that, let's get the name from the front end by adding name equals string here. Since this is a promise, we need to add await. Now go to the front end and give the name of the product inside add server here. Let's name it Rubik's Cube. Hit save and refresh the output. Now let's test the functionality. Click the add product button and we got the alert added. So let's go in and check in our database as well. For that, click this connect to database button. Click on launch MongoDB Express. And we have to use these credentials to sign in there. Once you are inside, go to app and we can see the collection named products. Open it and we can see the product Rubik's Cube. So yeah, that's done. We can directly update the product here as well. Let's change the name to chessboard and save it. And it's updated here. So now we added functionality to 1 out of 4 buttons. So now let's add functionality for the get product button. So create a new backend file, name it list, and click proceed. Import data just like we did it last time. And here add constant all products equals await data and give the same collection name here. Products.find.toArray. We added await since it is a promise. This is a straightforward MongoDB API. If you want to filter with name or any other value, you can give it in here. Return this all products here and done. Save it. Now let's integrate it in the button. On click, list server.then all products, and for alert, Now in this alert, since all products is an object, we need to map it to convert it to a string like this. And then we can join them separated by a comma like this and make them list as a message. Hit save and it's time to test. Refresh and click get product. We get the product name as an alert. Click add product again. Now we should get two products separated by a comma. Here it is. Similarly, to update the product, let's create a new file, name it as update, import data, then data products dot, here we will use update one of function. To update the product name, add name in here and let's make it as a string. We need the updated name as well, so add new name and make it as a string as well. And in update one function, we will pass name and inside of it $set equals name new name. Now integrate it in the front end. On click, update server and set alert to updated. Now in here we have to give the old and new names. Rubik's Cube and new one, let's give us water bottle. Save it and let's check. Refresh the page and when we click the update button, it is updated. And finally, we can add the functionality for delete buttons. Create a backend file named delete, import data. Here, await data products dot delete one and give the filter inside, which is name. Get it from the front end and done. Save it here and open the front end file. Here on click, delete server, give the name of the product which we want to delete. Let's give water bottle dot then and let's give alert as deleted. Hit save and let's check it here. Refresh, click on get products, we have water bottle and chessboard. Click on the delete button and let's check the products again. Now you can see that the water bottle was removed. We have only chessboard. Let's check the database as well. Yes, only chessboard is here as well. And there you have it. With MagicJS, CRUD operations become so straightforward, allowing you to manage your data very effortlessly. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next video.